Okay, so it's pretty mixed today, but AMD is leading again. You're going to get used to hearing that over the next few years. Nvidia is second on my list. It's currently up 1.3%. It's kind of struggling here. It had a huge green candle and then a huge smackdown. Right now I'm up about 120. I did take one AMD call just recently, and look at how strong it is right now. Had a huge push up. Now it's trying again. So I took a July call, the 127 call. Looking to see if it can break the high of day right here. So I bought that call for $269. The July 3rd, 127. And I'm probably going to buy another one here. Alright, so I just bought another one here for $298. The other one was for $269, so an average of $284, 2 contracts. And I just tweeted that I averaged up. Alright, here's the after hours action. Nvidia kind of struggled today, but AMD was up nearly 5%, closed nearly at the highs as well. So that's a really good sign. Yeah, the calls are doing really well. QQQ had an okay day, same with SPY. Tesla had a really good recovery, up like 6%. After that huge crash, about 17% in a few hours, Friday or Thursday of last week. AMDL is up 9.3%. I'm starting to like MSTR because Bitcoin is doing so well. So I'm probably going to start adding MSTU shares, which is a 2x leverage of MSTR. Yeah, Ethereum's finally pushing. Same with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's almost at another all-time high again. Yeah, pretty good day. Here's the 5-minute chart of AMD. It did make a higher high, and then it crashed for about 3 hours. Then it closed right back at the high, so that's a good sign. Look at the daily bands, how tight they are on AMD. So when they get really tight, they basically have to expand. And then if we get some positive news, it can really go. Tesla, here's the daily chart. You can see that huge dump. Now it's finally starting to go green. It was like 7 red days in a row. We got some positive news here with trade talks. We also got some NVIDIA OTM call flow. So yeah, we're just getting some really positive news. Bullish engulfing on Tesla today. We can see that huge volume shelf. And it bounced literally right off that. So it's pretty crazy. Ended up 341. And my shares are always changing after hours, so I'm never getting the exact value. But yeah, it was a really good day. In AMD swings, NVIDIA swings, and then also AMDL shares. I'm looking to start a credit spread account soon, so that'll be very entertaining for you guys. Alright, quick little post-market update, and the market is absolutely flying. QQQ is up 0.64% after hours, and everything is just going insane. Tesla's up 3%, SPY up 0.5%, AMD up 1%. I mean, it's going to be an insane day tomorrow. NVIDIA is finally moving, up 0.76%. There is some news about Japan. They're going to visit US, Canada from June 13th to the 18th for tariff talks. And it's basically news combined with insane technicals. So it's just the holy grail setup. So in the daily bands on so many names, including futures, This is NQ futures. It's just a super tight daily bands. And we could see we had this huge push up. And then we just went sideways for about 4 weeks. And now we're finally pushing up again. And then we're basically just getting really good news with tariffs and all that. So when you have technicals aligning with news, I mean, it's just the holy grail setup. So yeah, we'll see how this goes tomorrow.